let's talk about injection pads. We all end up with those leaky injection pads that have just been poked way too many times and now they're gonna leak, right? We can actually salvage these. Just because they're leaking does not mean that we can't reuse them, okay? You'll be able to tell, right? So all of that, your automatic response is gonna be, ew, that's gross, let's throw it away. We don't need to do that, okay? I'm gonna show you. You can repair these with this. You can plug the holes with liquid latex. So how I would handle this here, obviously it's kind of a mess, right? Normally I wouldn't peel that off. It needs to come off or else we're not gonna be able to get this guy clean. Right here, what I am using is a cavi wipe, okay? Just because it's also good to take a minute and sanitize this stuff too whenever you get a chance. Okay, so there goes all of our crusty stuff that we don't want on there anymore, right? Okay, all systems go. What you're gonna do now, let it dry, okay? And then you're gonna be able to determine where that leak is coming from. We know for sure that underneath this label, there is a hole, right? It's very likely that this was leaking from that hole because this was no longer stuck to it, okay? So, and you can tell, see all that yellow stuff on there? It's because it's coming from this. So what we're gonna do here, you see that there's a big open hole. Take this, open it up. It's gonna be pretty gooey. So what you're gonna do is open it up. There's your hole. Take this, just barely, like draw it on there without actually putting it to the material itself. There you go. Now, let it dry. Boom. So for another example, let's see, I got another one right here. This one has already been repaired once. You might be able to see there's a bit of a shiny thing right there. That's what it's gonna look like, okay? So it's leaking from somewhere else right now. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna push around and see if there's anything that comes beating up on the top. Yep. Okay, right there. So you can see we've got a little drop of liquid right there. That's where the leak is coming from, okay? Cavi wipe. Let it dry. Okay, there it is. There's where our leak is. Don't touch it, just barely draw it on. Done. There you go. You just salvaged yourself 2 injection pads and saved them from the trash.